tumingin sa aking mata, natapat ng gibilin ko. Gibilin ka ni Ate Joss, bay. Ew! Nakoy chick. What's your chika? Kay Rog, gibilin ka ni Ate Joss. That's why you're not here. Just leave me here. Leave me here. Just leave me here.
What?
Just leave me here. I will stay in the middle. Hey guys. Strong. Balik Davao kay. Yeah, I'll actually pupunta ako sa Davao this coming her to come to the live. Pupunta ako ng Davao. So, sa mga taga Davao, punta din kayo. Okay? Tarlac? I'm not sure if I'm going to Tarlac. I think I am. You look like Kai sa PBB. Yeah, I always get that. Palagi akong sinasabihan na, ala, kamukha mo po si Kai. See you in Tarlac. See ya. Hello guys. Kailan ka pupunta sa Davao? Actually, di ko din alam eh. Saan ka, Kai? Nasa labas po. What's your highlighter? Didn't I show you guys what my highlighter was? Tagal na nun. Wait. I gotta go. I just wanted to see you for a while. You just want to say hi to Kai, proud ako sa'yo. Aww. Thank you. Kita kids. Yeah. Anyway. This coming, pupunta ako Davao. And I just wanted to say, see you there. See you din sa Cebu. Pupunta din ako ng Cebu. Pupunta din ako ng Tarlac. And somewhere. Taytay? Hindi ko po alam eh. But, yeah. Have you ever seen life? Huh? Are you with Ate Jazz? Opo. The Jazz is there, sitting down. Sino bias mo sa BTS? Jungkook, syempre. Tagal na akong BTS fan actually. Huwag ka magbabago, Krisha. Dapat Bisaya. Huh? Anyway, bye-bye. Bye-bye na guys. Kasi April 26, someone just said April 26. I think that's Davao. Yeah. So, we'll see each other again sa Davao April 26. So, punta kayo dun. And yeah, we'll see each other again. Cebu din. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Kakarating sa mga sa mga people that just arrived. What do you call this? Welcome sa live. And we'll go na. Bye-bye na. Kasi it's already 8:18. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. Stay safe. And God bless.